Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's Day Dems, aka Demo Graphics, and today I'm transforming this bedroom. So we're going to go over the tags and give it a nice graphic look. Lots of cool shades of blue, nice calming feel. So stay tuned. Right, so it's starting to take shape. We've got the light blue behind me, behind the TV, and then we've got these other shades of blue, these triangle shapes that are going to be bursting out from the TV and going up into the corners and onto the ceiling. Okay, so we've got the blue shapes going on. My hair's a bit messed up from wearing a mask, but you can see we've got the nice triangles on there going up into the corners and onto the ceiling. And we've got some natural flowing shapes underneath, just separating the blues. As you can see in the corners, some organic shapes. And then we'll have the furniture going back up against it. And the TV's in the middle, centerpiece. So it's really transformed the wall. It's looking nice and fresh, and we're going to do another wall next. So we've reached the end of the video. Done the opposite side with a similar pattern. It's really freshened up this whole living room. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So the job that I've just been working on, the guy's going to be doing a trade with me, so instead of payment he's going to be giving me a rally burner. So I'm happy to take on the rally burner in exchange for the artwork I've just done. And the rally burner is an old school Mark 1 burner, and it will add to the collection. If you're following my channel, you would see that I've got quite a few restoration videos, and I like doing up the rally burners. I've got some rampers, I've got a mongoose, so if you're interested in old school BMX, check out some of those videos as well.